Hi there. Welcome back to another video. I'm Rajat, and today we'll be solving another equal question. Equal to 42 valid anagram. Let's read the question and let me just give a clarity on what we are going to do. The problem statement says that given two strings S and T, return true if P is an anagram of S and false otherwise. Okay. So what's an anagram? Let us go to our old friend Paint. So anagram basically is the permutation of the same word. Okay. How to say it? Suppose I have a word cat. Okay. Anagram could be pack or act. Okay. Or it could be TCA, ETC. It could be any of these. Okay. There could be more. So basically, what we have to do is that we have to find the combination. Now, how are we gonna do it? Okay. First thing that all anagrams have the same length. Okay, like cat has three, tag has three, all has three. So if S, let me just clear it out. So if length of S is not equal to length of P, then it's not a valid anagram. First point. Second point, we'll find the frequency. The frequency of any number, the frequency of S and a letter will always be equal to the uh, frequency of P and I. Okay, so this is a valid condition, and F here means so. What this condition is? This says that frequency of any character has to be equal to in S is has to be equal to the frequency of character T. The first thing is the length of S and T should be equal, and the second thing is that the frequency of any character in S should be equal to the frequency of character in T. Okay, these two are the solid proofs for valid anagrams. So let's just code it out and see. So the first thing is if S dot length is not equal to P dot length, return false. Okay. Now what we do is we create a vector int fs, which means frequency of s, and we give it 26 letters initialized to 0. Also FP 726 to 0. Now here we can do, since we both know, or we all know that this condition, only if this condition fails, it will come to this section. So we now know that both the lengths of S and T are equal. So what we can do is that we can take any of the length for int I is equal to 0, I less than S dot length, I plus plus, and here we will access, basically here we have to access the index here. So how we will do it? So any character, given any character, uh, suppose we have to subtract it from A. A is taken as a reference, and we have to subtract the character. Suppose I need the eraser again. You just need to subtract from A, and A means a character. I mean, not the character, but from the alphabet. Okay, we have to take S and I. Okay, this will either give us 0 to 26. Another value. Okay, and it will give us 25 actually. 25. Okay, once that has been done, we can select it at FS and increment it to 1. Okay, so this is our whole logic, what we will do, and we will do the same operation on FT as well. So let's do it. FS A minus S I is plus, and FT A minus T I plus plus is plus. Okay, in the same way. Now we just have to return whether Fs is equals to Ft or not, and which will do. I'm not sure if Fs equals to Ft is right. Yeah, hmm. Mhm. Okay. This should be long, I suppose. That's why it's happening. What's it? Right. Hmm. Mhm. So this has to be minus 1, I say. Exactly number. This is not the issue. Then I must be wrong somewhere here. Hmm. Now let's see. But the theory is same, yeah. I was actually wrong with the arrangement. Actually, I had to subtract it from, yeah. Like, suppose, yeah. That's right. What happened here is that suppose uh, A subtracted by this actually will result in 0 to minus 25, not 0 to 25. So you just rearrange it to SI minus it. Yeah, that's perfect. And that should do. Uh, if I don't know if it's my internet, I suppose it's my internet. It's 100%. Let's see what 100% is. It's the same thing. Just okay. The same thing. We just increase our space optimization. This GT space optimization. Oh, look, we did it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.